Good morning, students. Today we will start economics, chapter number first. Name of the chapter is development. In this chapter, we will understand the meaning of development. So listen carefully and try to understand this first paragraph. The idea of development or progress has always been with us. Idea of development means we have so many ideas. We think about how to develop ourselves as well as how to develop our country also. We like development. Not only we, everyone. Now everyone likes to develop. So development or progress has always been with us. Always been with us means this is not a modern concept or modern thinking. Development, it is not a modern thinking and modern concept. From so many years in our past period also, now they also thought in past so many years, so many centuries ago. If you see in our history, so in ancient time also, in modern time also, and at present also, in every stages, now people they like to develop themselves. So that always been with us. Every time we like to develop. We have aspirations. Underline aspirations means strong desires, wish or desires about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. Now we people, everyone, now they have strong desires, strong will about they want to do something good for themselves. They want to live how happily, and they want to achieve something good for themselves, means development. We have a lot of ideas. We want to do more and more to achieve, to make our lives better. So it's called development. Similarly, we have ideas about what a country should be like. We think about ourselves also. Individually, we want to develop ourselves also, as well as we think about our country also. What a country should be like. We try to develop our country also. We wish to develop our country also. We want to live in good and developed country. What are the essential things that we require now to make our country good and well developed, now to make our life good and to develop our country as well as to develop ourselves? Which are the important things and which are the essential things? what we require. Now this is the question, what we require. How can we develop ourselves? How can we develop our country? So that what we need, what we require. Can life be better for all? This is also one of the question. Can we make others' life also better? Can we make our life as well as others' life also better? How should people live together? Now we can think also this one. How can we live better, as well as how can we live together in a country, in societies, in our house? Can there be more equality? We want to establish equality in our country, in our society, in our house. So how can we establish equality? More and more equality. Development involves thinking about these questions and about the ways in which we can work towards achieving these goals. Now, development involves, we want development. So, in the idea of development, now these all thinkings are involves thinking. Which thinking? All these thinkings, all these questions are involved in this idea, and about the ways in which we can took towards achieving these goals. So in the idea of development, how can we achieve our development? Not for us, for everyone. Achieving these goals, how can we? So, students, this is a complex task. So, to understand the meaning of development, this is not a simple. So, meaning as well as the concept of the development, it is not a simple. So, it is a complex task to understand what is development, what is meant by the development. It is somewhat complicated. A beginning at understanding development means in this chapter, in first chapter, we start to know about what is development, what is meant by the development, what is the meaning of development. The meaning of development, so it is we can say it has a deep meaning. Just we have started from this chapter. You will learn now in this chapter shall make a beginning at understanding development. You will learn more about these issues in a greater depth. Deeply, you will learn about the idea of development or progress deeply. Where? In higher classes. In next year, in 11th and 12th, if you are if you select arts faculty, so you can read economics in 11th and 12th. So you will learn deeply about the concept of idea of development. Now students, listen carefully. Also, you will find answers to many of these questions. Now, whatever the questions which are asked above, just we studied at the beginning of the uh, these chapters. So you will find answers, all answers to many of these questions, not just in economics, not only in economics. You will not find answer, means we can say the complete answer, the complete meaning of democracy you cannot find in only in development in this chapter. So we'll find the meaning of the development in another chapter also, in another subject also, like history and political science. So we will see in another, in a political as well as in now students see, you will find in history and political science, this is because the way we live today is influenced by the past. Today we are, how we are living, so it is the effect of our past. So it is the effect of our past, means how our past generation, how they lived. So their effect we can see on our lives also. We can't desire for change without being aware of this. We want to change our life, we want to develop, but we cannot ignore our past also. In the same way, it is only through a democratic political process that these hopes and the possibilities can be achieved in real life. So we want to develop individually as well as the socially, we want to develop, so that we can achieve this through a democratic political process, means we can achieve all this development with the help of our government also, government policies also, so that we can achieve in our life, in real life. Students, now in this chapter we have to understand in detail, so we will read in next clip.